What's up, YouTube? Drew here from Cars, and this is kind of a follow-up video to the one that I did about isolating noises in your belt drive, in your engine bay, whatever, using a hose, a stethoscope, a screwdriver. So I'll throw a link to that video in the description in case you want to watch it. But I got one here for you that is also a little bit praiseworthy because I was terrified that this motor was shot. So this car is new to me. I didn't really go through it when I had the window of time to to arbitrate if I found any issues. For those of you in the automotive industry, you know what that means. I just did a quick up and down the road. Everything felt good. Parked it for a month, and now I have time to work on it. It's sitting in the driveway about to get detailed, and I start to hear what sounds exactly like piston slap. That a horrible tapping sound. So I don't know if you can hear that, but I mean, it sounds like a toasted motor, exactly like piston slap. And I had my stethoscope, following my own advice, right? I had my stethoscope on the motor. I opened the oil cap, put it on a bearing cover. I had it on the oil pan. I had it on the exhaust manifold, on the intake manifold, everywhere. And I couldn't find this knock, which again could be like piston slap. A lot of times piston slap is hard to find. So last minute, I thought of something. Some mechanic buddies of mine told me that you should never eliminate something slapping around in the belt drive. I don't know if you see how this is wiggling, and I don't know if you can hear that tapping, but it's there. It's tat, 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 right? So I got my serpentine bar on the tensioner, and I'm going to back off, and the sound's gone. If I keep going, obviously the belt starts to squeak, but I back off, the sound is gone. I could feel it. Whatever's tapping, I could feel it in this bar. Now I get back on, and the tapping's back. So I'm ecstatic right now that I have a $20 belt tensioner job. I will be whistling and praising God the entire way through it because it is not a $2,000 motor that would probably take me a week without, a lift. So just a follow-up video. Hey, I don't want to give you false hope. If your motor's making a sound and it is your motor, I'm sorry, but take your belt off. Sometimes it is in the belt drive. Hondas are notorious for it. This Toyota, it could be in any car with a hydraulic belt tensioner. So just a follow-up video to isolating noises in your belt drive. Thanks.